Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we will explore Visual Studio Code or VS Code, a powerful and versatile code editor developed by Microsoft. VS Code is widely loved by developers for its flexibility and performance, supporting a variety of programming languages and platforms. While it is not a full-fledged integrated development environment like Visual Studio or IntelliJ IDEA, it offers a rich set of features that makes it an excellent choice for many developers. One of the reasons VS Code has become so popular among developers is its incredible flexibility. You can completely tailor it to suit your workflow thanks to its wide range of extensions and customizable themes. Despite being packed with features, it remains lightweight and fast, ensuring it performs smoothly even when you have multiple extensions installed. What's more, its user-friendly interface strikes a perfect balance between simplicity for beginners and advanced tools for seasoned developers. Whether you are just starting your coding journey or you have been writing code for years, VS Code adapts to your needs and enhances your productivity. If you are new to Java or just exploring VS Code for the first time, this guide will get you up and running quickly. Let's get started. To download and install Visual Studio Code, go to code.visualstudio.com and download the VS Code for your operating system. I'm using Windows, so it shows me the download for Windows button here. Here, accept the agreement, select the location you want to install the VS Code, click Next, then click Next, and finally click Install. After successful installation, open the VS Code. This is the Visual Studio Code. Now from the left toolbar, select the extension and here search for Java. Then install extension pack for Java from Microsoft. After installation extension pack for Java, press Ctrl, Shift, and P buttons on your keyboard to enable the command tools of the VS Code, and then start typing with Java to see all the available Java commands for you. You can select Java Create Project here, go with No Build Tools, select a folder you want to store your project, select this folder, then here enter a name for your project. Press Enter. Here VS Code shows us a window and asks us, do we trust the author of this project? Because we are creating the project, yes, we are trusting the author. Here at the left side in the Explorer window, you can see the structure of the project, and here we have a src folder that is the source folder of our project. Inside that folder we have a Java class named app. Open it, and as you can see here we have the Java code for our project. To run the main method of this project, we can select Run here on top of the main method, or we can go to the Run menu here on top and select Run without debugging, or press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard, or click on this button here. As you can see here, you can run your main method here or debug it. So I will run the project by clicking on this Run button on top of the main method. A new terminal window opens here, and this is the output of our project. Okay, want to learn more? Visit the Visual Studio Code website for official documentation and support. Check out my other videos on Java development. Like, comment, and subscribe for more coding tutorials, and happy coding!